Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem, 1930, unique length-3 palindromic subsequences. The good thing for this problem is we are looking for a length of 3. And we don't care about the duplicate ones, which means for lower cases from A to Z, there will be only 26 letters. Imagine a subsequence of 3 letters. The combination could be first one and last one would be the same, and we have 26 candidates. And next, the middle one, we also have 26 options. That means if we can go through all the possible result for a loop of 26 and a loop of 26 again, we can find out the final result. But how do we do the loop? I would start with some counting and go through the string first. Count the number of each letters. That's the first counter. Then the second one, I'll write down the first index of each letter. Say 1, 2. And also another one for the last index of this same character. We can use these counters for the loop, which is 26 by 26. And after that, we can get the result we are looking for. Next part will be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.